Good morning and a very warm welcome. Thanks very much for tuning in. You're watching Times Now. My name is Amita Vadva. Let's get started with the top stories we are tracking for you. First up this morning, as we talk about when it comes to the Sambhal area, as far as in an attempt to use the Sambhal embers to rekindle support for the Places of Worship Act to stay, and while doing so, injecting some power to political heft. Now, it looks like, especially for the Congress party, were outsmarted by its ally in taking lead over the Sambhal issue. The party, which seems to be now playing catch-up with the party's minority cell in UP, which is now launched statewide campaign questioning the Chief Justice of India's silence on the controversy surrounding the Places of Worship Act. The campaign, that will run till the 22nd of December, aims to send 1 lakh letters to the CJI, Sanjeev Khanna, questioning him over what they call inaction and silence over the alleged violations of the Places of Worship Act.
प्लेसेज ऑफ वर्शिप एक्ट स्पष्ट तौर पे कहता है कि 15 अगस्त 1947 के दिन तक जो भी इबादतगाह है, मंदिर मस्जिद जो भी है, वो उसी तरह रहेगा, उसमें कोई बदलाव नहीं हो सकता। उसको बदलाव देने की मांग के साथ कोई अगर याचिका जाती है तो किसी कोर्ट में स्वीकार भी नहीं होगी। इस पे 3 साल की सजा का ही प्रावधान है। उसमें ये भी कहा गया है कि जैसे ही ये कानून बना, जितने भी वाद लंबित हैं वो भी सब अपने आप स्वतः खत्म हो जाएंगे। लेकिन हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि संभल की जामा मस्जिद में ऐसा कोई वाद नहीं था, फिर भी एक याचिका स्वीकार कर ली गई। 1 लाख चिट्ठियां चीफ जस्टिस ऑफ इंडिया को भेजेंगे, उनसे पूछेंगे कि क्या ये कानून खत्म हो गया तो कब हुआ ये बताइए, और अगर ये है तो इसकी अवमानना पर आप चुप क्यों हैं। उनसे भी पूछा जाएगा क्या इस चुप्पी की वजह भाजपा और आरएसएस का दबाव है।
In the meantime, take a look with all of these letters that will be sent to the CJI will entail, especially when it comes to the multiple questions is being asked. Is that the Places of Worship Act in place, or is it not? Another question that is being asked to the CJI, if yes, then why is no action over the said violations that have taken place? Is the government or the RSS pressure behind your silence? This is directed towards the CJI. Another question which is being asked is why not stall the former CJI's anti-constitutional verdict? Also saying that why no suo motu cognizance of the state-sponsored violence has been taken against when it comes to the Muslim community. Now, as far as when we talk about how the BJP is alleged that this is yet another proof of Congress's anti-Hindu phase. They are citing back-to-back attempts for the fight for Muslim rights while opposing similar demands from the Hindus to bolster their claims.
कांग्रेस ने अब अधिकृत रूप से घोषणा कर दी है कि वो संविधान के साथ नहीं, वो वोट बैंक के भाईजान के साथ है। वो एक तरफ अपने आप को पाती है वोट बैंक के चक्कर में, इसीलिए तो संभल में भी जब पीड़ित मुस्लिम होते तब वो चली जाती है, पर नेहा हिरेमत के पास नहीं जाती। पर अब सामने निकल कर आया कि कांग्रेस प्लेसेस ऑफ वर्शिप एक्ट के खिलाफ एक अभियान चलाएगी, कैंपेन चलाएगी, सिग्नेचर कैंपेन। सोचिए कि अगर कोई अपना संवैधानिक अधिकार इस्तेमाल करे, कोर्ट जाए, तो उसके खिलाफ कांग्रेस पार्टी कैंपेन चलाएगी। उनके अधिकृत प्रवक्ता आलोक शर्मा कोर्ट जाएंगे और कोर्ट से कहेंगे कि ये अधिकार नहीं मिलना चाहिए हिंदू पक्ष को। दूसरी ओर गैर संवैधानिक, असंवैधानिक अनलिमिटेड पावर वक्फ को मिलना चाहिए।
Let's get in a word from Nyamika joining us. Nyamika, good morning. What exactly is the aim that we are looking at when it comes to the opposition parties and the issues that they believe, according to them, are being sidelined or being ignored, and that is how an attempt is being made to write several letters to the CJI?
Well, yes, indeed, as a lot of questions is now being going to be faced by the Congress party, because this move which is being taken by the UP Congress minority department, as they have now decided that they will be sending 1 lakh letters to the CJI questioning that why there is a complete silence on his part regarding the alleged contempt of Places of Worship Act, as they are basically citing the incident of violence that had taken place in Sambal recently, and for that reason now they are saying that it is the responsibility of the top court of India that they need to take suo motu cognizance of whatever is happening all across the country, because they are now saying that it is not right on the part of the top court that they are not taking any kind of action. They are not speaking anything against the manner in which petitions are being filed within the courts regarding the conducting of surveys in different mosques. As for that reason, we have also seen that how the politics has already been begun regarding this entire matter. The BJP is basically blaming the Congress party, saying that they are doing just the appeasement politics for one particular community. They are standing behind one particular community, because whenever it comes to the side of the Hindu community, then there is a complete silence on the part of the Congress party, but they are always standing behind the Muslim community, and that is the only reason why such kind of decision has been taken by the UP Congress state unit as well. As that is a question which the BJP is posing upon the Congress party, but as far as the Congress party is concerned, this is a decision which is being taken by the minority department of the Uttar Pradesh Congress. However, what is the official stand of the Congress party, the Congress High Command will take, will accept it or not, is yet to be seen on their part. But if we talk about the UP Congress in particular, then this campaign is going to work till the 22nd of December, and they are going to send these 1 lakh letters to the CJI asking him to reply on all these questions which is being related to the Places of Worship Act, as they are saying that it needs to be intact, which is being placed there since 1947.
All right, Nyamika, please do continue to be with us. As far as this seems to be the issue that is now being raised on part of asking several questions, especially when it comes to the positioning that the Places of Worship Act currently is in its form. Let's talk about this massive outrage where after 3 children who were assaulted and allegedly forced to chant Jai Shri Ram in Madhya Pradesh's Lucknow. After this video of this incident that went viral on social media, the police registered a case and arrested the minor accused. In this video, a person who is seen questioning the children about a lighter in their possession and slapping them. Now, the person who was seen slapping 3 boys and forcing them to say and chant Jai Shri Ram. Take a look at this video.
थाने में रिपोर्ट करने आए थे, और जो रिपोर्ट करने आए थे उसमें कुछ वीडियो जो है वो जारी हुई, जिसमें एक व्यक्ति द्वारा 3 लोगों को बच्चों के साथ में मारपीट कर रहा है, जिस तारतम्य में प्रकरण पंजीबद्ध किया गया है। और इसके अलावा जो है जहां किसने अपलोड किया है और इसके अलावा जिनके द्वारा मारपीट की जा रही है, उसकी जो है पुलिस जो है तलाश कर रही है। शीघ्र हम उसको पकड़ लेंगे।
After this video that went viral on social media, opposition is training guns at the BJP, blaming the party for spreading hate and dividing the society.
बड़ी अफसोसनाक घटना है जो रतलाम में हुआ। किस तरह से नाबालिग बच्चे, छोटे मासूम बच्चों को मारा जा रहा है, उनसे जबरदस्त JSR के नारे लगवाने की कोशिश की जा रही है। क्या बोलिए, किसने इनको इतना रेडिकलाइज किया है? क्या देश किस दिशा में लेकर जा रहे हैं मोदी जी आप इस देश को? आपने जितनी नफरत भरी है अभी, ये आज ये बच्चे कल बड़े होके क्या करेंगे बताइए? क्या मस्जिदों में जाके खुदाई करेंगे, या इसी तरह से रास्तों के ऊपर लोगों को पकड़ पकड़ के बोलेंगे बोल JSR? ये मतलब कितना नफरत आप फैलाते जा रहे हो उस देश के अंदर।
ये आज क्या मतलब मुसलमानों के इस मुल्क में रहना मुश्किल हो गया है। अभी मध्य प्रदेश के रतलाम में 3 बच्चों को पकड़ के मारा जा रहा है कि जय श्री राम बोलो, चप्पल से मारा जा रहा है, बुरी तरह से उनको बेइज्जत किया जा रहा है, और उसने अल्लाह बोला अल्लाह मत बोलो। क्या चाहती है सरकार? ये यानी रोज आना कुछ न कुछ। मैं ये पानी सर से ऊंचा हो रहा है। क्या हिंदुस्तान किसी के बाप की जागीर? हमारा नहीं हिंदुस्तान है क्या हिंदुस्तान के लिए अब की आजादी में मुसलमानों का कोई हिस्सा नहीं है? क्या मुसलमानों ने कोई गद्दारी किया है? रोज आना ये हो रहा है, और ये जो हो रहा है ना, ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ सरकार की सह पे हो रहा है।
रतलाम में जिस तरह से 3 मुस्लिम बच्चों को पीट पीट कर जय श्री राम बोलने के लिए कहा जा रहा है, ऐसे भगवान के नाम से कहा जा रहा है जिन्हें हम प्रजाहित दक्ष राजा करके जानते हैं। एक छोटे से नागरिक के कहने पर माता सीता को वनवास में भेजने वाले प्रभु श्री राम क्या कभी इस तरह का मजहबी नफरत सहन करते हैं? क्या यही हिंदुत्व का नरेंद्र मोदी जी का और संघ का मॉडल है? अगर ये कुछ है तो अमानवीयता है, ये अगर कुछ है तो केवल और केवल नफरत है। इसका हम निषेध करते और देखते हैं कि इसके ऊपर मध्य प्रदेश की सरकार कड़ी से कड़ी कार्रवाई करती है या न करती है।
Meanwhile, India claims that it follows the mantra of Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, and strict action would be taken against the accused in this video.
मामला संज्ञान में आया है। ये पुराना 1.5 महीने पुराना एक वीडियो है जिसमें बच्चे आपस में लड़ते झगड़ते दिख रहे हैं, जो मुझे लगता है कि पुलिस ने इसकी पूरी छानबीन कर ली है। संविधान से चलता है, देश कानून से चलता है और मध्य प्रदेश में कानून का राज है। मुख्यमंत्री डॉक्टर मोहन यादव जी, कोई भी कितना बड़ा रसूखदार क्यों न हो, उसको बख्शा नहीं जाएगा। हमारी सरकारें सबका, माननीय मोदी जी के मूल मंत्र सबका साथ, सबका विकास और सबके विश्वास को लेकर चलती हैं। अगर कोई भी कानून, कोई भी बड़ा माफिया अगर अपने कानून को अपने हाथ में लेने का काम करता है तो उसके ऊपर सख्त कार्रवाई की जाती है।
By highlighting such incidents, Sanjay Raut is creating a division between communities and religions, and I think that this is highly inappropriate of him to do so. Moreover, like we have said before, they have shed their Hindutva ideology and the focus is now on Muslim appeasement, and therefore they even have problems with the slogan Jai Shri Ram, and I think that is why the people of Maharashtra have voted them out of power.
क्या बोला अल्लाह 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 अल्लाह।
गोविंद हमारे साथ लाइव जुड़े हुए हैं। गोविंद, जब से ये वीडियो वायरल गया है काफी सवाल उठाते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं। जहां तक अगर विपक्ष की तौर पे तो देखा जाए तो उन्हें मौका मिल गया सरकार के ऊपर सवाल उठाने का, लेकिन इस केस पर जो वीडियो वायरल गया है, क्या आखिरकार कार्रवाई की जाएगी उसके बारे में जरा बताइए। गोविंद, आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हैं? Well, just getting that line connected with Govind as he is joining us live. And of course, when it comes to this incident that has gone viral on the social media, as far as reactions on part of the opposition that has been coming out as they are condemning, they're saying that when it comes to individuals who are forcing people coming from a certain community to chant slogans, and the incident that has now resulted in BJP's hate politics, that is the response coming in from the AIMIM leaders, where minors in Ratlam in Madhya Pradesh who were beaten and they were forced to chant Jai Shri Ram. As far as this video that of the incident has gone viral and a case that has been registered by the police. However, the minor said to be in this case, who is the accused, has been taken into custody. Questions, however, are being raised on the political front, where as far as what is being said, that a lighter that was found amongst those children there, and they were beaten up. They were beaten up with slippers. However, now what is being said that they were also forced to chant Jai Shri Ram. This is the opposition which has now been blaming the BJP for hate politics. Well, Govind, क्या आपको अब मेरी आवाज आ रही है? तो जरा बताइए कि इस पूरे केस में कार्रवाई क्या की जा रही है?
देखिए, कल जब सुबह ये वीडियो वायरल हुआ था, many in fact reacted on it, and you know that this is quite a shocking video in which we can clearly visualize a minor is just beating to three other minors. Just they started in fact the issue was on some smoking. Then they uttered their in fact belief Allah. Then the minor became more angry and he started saying that chant, ordered them in fact first for chanting Jai Shri Ram. So this video just got viral on social media, but now the action has been taken. In fact, in evening FIR was registered and that minor has been arrested. So definitely this was quite shocking video. But if we talk about that, what all action has been taken, because you know the accused is also minor and he has been taken in custody yesterday in the evening, and you know many persons are just reacting to social media that this is what just happening there in the society. If this kind of situation creates, then how chaotic this would be, that anybody just comes out and says you and pressurize you that this is the way you have to follow, but this was quite an unfortunate incident took place there in Ratlam district of Madhya Pradesh, where three Muslim minors were pressurized for chanting Jai Shri Ram. On the issue, some other issue, the route of contention was some different one, but then this turned into the religious one, in which that minor just looking
there
in
is
this
up in arms, taking questions, taking on the government there of the BJP on this video that has gone viral. However, the minor accused, who is said to be the one who is beating up those children, have now been taken into custody. Thank you very much, Govind, for getting us those details. Let's move